How to add email to my Telegram account. If you have been using the Telegram app and wondering on how to add your email on it, don't worry. In this video, I will show you how to do it. So let's get started. First of all, open the Telegram application. Just like this. After that, you will find something like this on your home screen. Now tap onto settings at the bottom right here, select it. Then scroll down and here you can find privacy and security right here. Now select it. Then here you can find login email just right here. Now tap on it. Now to add another email or email, simply tap on to change email right here, select it. Now you can simply add email from here. Now add your email, or you can simply sign in with Apple as well. Now add your email and log in. And that's it. This is how you can add email to your Telegram account. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.